is taken by Flourish. Then moving up, Mink City by the rail, Delightful Bell, Chica Una, Heaven's Image in between runners by the rail, Life is Delicious. Past the last 900, three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Delightful Bell, then running on the outside, Ming City. Flourish drops back in third, followed by Life is Delicious. Heaven's Image, the favorite, racing second last. And Chica Una is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 450. Ming City leading the field. Then here comes Heaven's Image. Now moving up on the outside together with Chica Una. Ming City still leading the field. Heaven's Image now in second and by the rail fighting back Flourish. With the last 150 more to run. Ming City by about 4 lengths over Heaven's Image in second. Life is Delicious. And finally, Ming City. Heaven's Image, Life is Delicious, Chica Una took fourth, Flourish, and Delightful Bell.
Okay, crossing